Hello everyone, we are live trading micro S&P on the 5-minute chart. We're about to see what's going to happen with this trade. We're pretty much done with the trade. We have two moving averages, two simple moving averages. One is the 74 fast moving average and the other one is slow, is 292. And they are about to cross over. The blue line is about to cross from the top, so we're going to close this long position that we took on January 20th. Seems like that's the way it's gonna happen. We're live, so we'll see in a few minutes. All right, so it's this bar is gonna close at 8:35 and it's 8:33, so less than 2 minutes. We'll see. All right, in about a minute we'll see an exit of the existing position here. This out here, and we'll just wait for the long position to exit. All right, it happened 8:35. The bar closed. We exit the long position. Let's zoom in here to see exactly how it happened. All right, it seems that it crossed over. Actually, on this bar. And at the close, which was the close of that bar, that's when it triggered the exit of the long position, right? So let's see. I'll show you the algorithm, and we'll take a look at the profit in a second. You'll see right-click, edit strategy, edit easy language, and then let's take a look exactly at the code. So I'll show you how it works. Alright, so we were in a buy signal because we entered that trade when the fast moving average was greater than the slow moving average, and we exit the buy signal here. Exit buy signal equal fast moving average less than slow moving average, or the close is less than the entry low. So if we for some reason at any bar close lower than the entry point, we will exit. There's also a percentage change that we don't want to lose more than a certain percentage that we set up at the beginning on the input variables here. So so that's how it happened. And if you see, if exit buy signal here, then sell exit long at this bar close. So it means at the close of the bar, where the fast moving average is smaller than the slow moving average, then we close at the exit. All right, let's take a look now at the actual profit here. If you right click on the signal here, exit long, right click, I'm gonna do view strategy performance report. These are all the trades. Let's go to the very last one here, page 3. Let's see. We exit the long 124 at 8:35. Perfect. That's the one. We made $422. We're back at 5,257. So we recover what we not quite there yet from the beginning of the year, but we're in recovery mode now. Let's see the performance. Yeah, this is what we lost, and now we're back recovering. We hope to break this all-time havocs, what is 6,000 and something here. So that's what we hope for. We'll see what it ends happening, but that's the last trade. And now what's gonna happen is the algorithm took the opposite position, right? So if we exit a long, we trigger a short. So now we're in a short trade. We're waiting for the market to define. So what we hope to happen is, let me see if I can clear this up. We hope that the market pretty much, we hope, keeps doing this kind of pattern, and then the fast moving average will follow close to the price, right? Will follow, and then the slow moving average will turn from this slower at one point in time when the price goes back up. The fast moving average will follow the price, and it will close it will close the crossover from the bottom, and it will close this short, and that's what we hope for, to make a profit on this short on the next crossover. Okay, and that's what we're gonna be waiting for in the next week or so, to see what's the end result of this short. Lot of undefinition here. Small losses we have in the previous week from a very successful trade here, along that we exit successfully with a profit, but we have a very short losses here, small losses I should say, and then a very successful short and a very successful long. So we're back in the game. We'll see what happens with the price. I'll keep you updated. Let me know if you have any questions regarding the algorithm. Again, we're trading micro S&P 5-minute chart, and I'll try to address any questions you have. Thank you so much. See you in the next update.